Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you know who your true self is? Do you ever think you'll become who you really are when you reach a certain point in your life? Do you ever feel like you're lying to yourself when you ask yourself who you really are? Do you know how to simply be yourself? Are you ready to give yourself the gift of being yourself? Let's dive in. Have you ever found yourself showing up in a way that didn't feel authentic to you? Do you fully show up as yourself without any restrictions or second guessing? Are you truthful about who you really are without wondering what someone else may say about you? If so, this is being yourself. When you're trying to please someone else by showing up differently than your authentic self, you're not truly being yourself. It's when you show up as yourself and you don't worry about being liked by others that you're giving yourself the gift of being honest with yourself. Not everyone is going to like your true self, and that's okay. It's simple, and it's not your fault, and it's not their fault. It's just life, and you owe it to yourself to be the best version of your true self that you can be, and love every minute of it. So if it doesn't matter what others think about you, and you get to be the best version of yourself, who are you really? Are you actually being yourself? This is where you get to find out who you really are. You get to find out what it really is like to be yourself. But maybe you've been trying to be someone else for a long time and you're not really sure how to be yourself anymore. I see this often with the clients that I work with, and I don't want you to worry. There are lots of ways for you to look within yourself to find that authentic version of yourself again. You can do the work to give yourself the gift of being your authentic self. First, I want you to think about someone that you feel like you can be your authentic self around. Someone that you know you feel like yourself with. You don't have to put on a show. You don't have to pretend to be someone else. You're not trying to impress anyone. You don't have to hold anything back when you're with them. You know that you're being yourself when you're with them. You know that feeling. Maybe it's with your best friend. Maybe it's when you're with a parent. It could be a child or someone else in your family. Who is the person you're thinking of? Why is it that you think you can be yourself around this person? Why is it that you think they really understand you? Why do you think you feel like you can be authentic around them? This is a good place to learn more about how and when you're being yourself. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, It's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.